The goal to be rich is clear, however, the path can be anything but. Here are tips to help you hit the $100,000 milestone fast. Do not forget to subscribe if you find this video helpful. 1. Serve 100,000 people instead of trying to make $100,000. When you only have a few customers and your goal is to make a lot of money, you're incentivized to find ways to get every last dollar out of those customers. But when you find a way to serve thousands of people, many other benefits follow. The effect of word of mouth is greatly magnified. The feedback you receive is exponentially greater, and so are your opportunities to improve your products and services. You get to hire more employees and benefit from their experience, their skills, and their overall awesomeness. And in time, your business becomes something you never dreamed of, because your customers and your employees have taken you to places you couldn't even imagine. So, serve 1 million people incredibly well and the money will follow. 2. To make more money, you need to make more things. As billionaire Walt Disney once said, "We don't make movies to make money, we make money to make more movies." Generally speaking, there are two types of people. One makes things because they want to make money. The more things they make, the more money they make. What they make doesn't really matter that much to them. They'll make anything as long as it pays. The other wants to make money because it allows them to make more things. They want to improve their product. They want to extend their line. They want to create another book, another song, another movie. They love what they make, and they see making money as a way to do even more of what they love. They dream of building a company that makes the best things possible. And making money is the way to fuel that dream and build that company they love. While it is certainly possible to find that one product that everyone wants and grow rich by selling that product, most successful businesses evolve, grow, and, as they make money, reinvest that money in a relentless pursuit of excellence. 3. Do what you do best. Pick one thing you're already better at than most people. Just one thing. Become maniacally focused at doing that one thing. Work, train, learn, practice, evaluate, refine. Be ruthlessly self-critical, not in a masochistic way, but to ensure you continue to work to improve every aspect of that one thing. Financially successful people do at least one thing better than just about everyone around them. Of course, it helps if you pick something to be great at that the world also values and will pay for. Excellence is its own reward, but excellence also commands higher pay and greater respect, greater feelings of self-worth, greater fulfillment, a greater sense of achievement, all of which make you rich in non-monetary terms. 4. Consistently track your progress. We tend to become what we measure, so track your progress at least once a week against your key measures. Maybe you'll measure how many people you've helped. Maybe you'll measure how many customers you've served. Maybe you'll evaluate the key steps on your journey to becoming the world's best at one thing. Maybe it's a combination of those things and more. A few examples of tracking your progress are: if you're an author, it could be Amazon rankings. If you're a musician, it could be iTunes downloads. If you're a programmer, it could be the number of people that use your software. If you're a leader, it could be the number of people you train and develop who move on to bigger and better things. If you're an online retailer, it could be purchases per visitor, or on-time shipping, or conversion rate. Don't just admire successful people. Take a close look at what makes them successful. Then use those criteria to help create your own measures of success. 5. Build routines that ensure progress. Never forget that achieving a goal is based on creating routines. Say you want to write a 200-page book. That's your goal. Your system to achieve that goal could be to write 4 pages a day. That's your routine. Wishing and hoping won't get you to a finished manuscript, but sticking faithfully to your routine ensures you reach your goal. Or say you want to land 100 new customers through inbound marketing. That's your goal. Your routine is to create new content, new videos, new podcasts, new white papers, etc., on whatever schedule you set. Stick to that routine and meet your deadlines. And if your content is great, you will land those new customers. Wishing and hoping won't get you there. Sticking faithfully to your routine will. So set goals, create routines that support those goals, and then ruthlessly track your progress. Fix what doesn't work. Improve and repeat what does work. Refine, revise, adapt, and work hard every day to be better than you were yesterday. Soon you'll be good. Then you'll be great. And one day you'll be world class. And then, probably without even noticing, you'll also be a millionaire. 6. Stop obsessing about money. While it sounds counterintuitive, maintaining a laser-like focus on how much you make distracts you from doing the things that truly contribute to building and growing wealth. So, shift your perspective. See money not as the primary goal, but as a byproduct of doing the right things. 7. Help people out even in a small way. Most financially successful people are shockingly helpful. They're incredibly good at understanding other people and helping them achieve their goals. They know their success is ultimately based on the success of the people around them. So they work hard to make other people successful, their employees, their customers, their vendors, and suppliers. Because they know if they can do that, then their own success will surely follow, and they will have built a business or a career they can be truly proud of.